The TV turns on normally, and backlight is glowing, but the picture is not present. Open the TV and see what's the problem. Here is the panel number, LSC320AN10-H03. First measure the panel voltages. Panel input voltage, 12 volts. Normal 12 volt is present. Next VGH here, it will be 32 volt is present, but the voltage is not available here. Then 3.3 volts. 3.3 volts is present here. Next 1.8 volt. 1.8 also present. Then AVDD around 15 volts. But voltage is not present here. In this panel has the most common fault is the CKV line is short circuit. So measure the CKV line's resistance. Measure between CKV1 and CKVB1, then CKV2 and CKVB2. As you can see, resistance between CKV2 and CKVB2 is 442 ohm. This is abnormal value. The IC turns off all voltage outputs due to short circuit between CKV2 and CKVB2 to protect itself. This CKV line goes to the right and left side of this curve, so short circuit can be left side or right side of this curve. Now first cut CKV2 line right side of this curve, then measure the resistance. Still the resistance is abnormal. It means that the right side is okay, then rejoin where the line was cut. Then cut CKV2 line left side of this curve, then measure the resistance again. Now the resistance is normal. It means that the left side is faulty. Now turn on the TV, then measure the VGH voltage. VGH voltage is present now 32 volts. Let's see the screen. Yes, picture is coming now. The TV is working properly. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and feel free to comment.